Well, on the line now, we're joined by ANC's parliamentary spokesperson, Moloto Mothapo. Mr. Mothapo, good morning. The committee will proceed, from what we understand, even if the opposition parties are not there. Are we correct?
Of course. You remember that in terms of the rules of parliament, they don't say that if the opposition is not there, the ad hoc committee or the portfolio committee should not continue. It says that as long as the committee corrects, which is what is actually happening now, the committee corrects, it should continue. It's competent to continue with this.
Now, the committee is correct because the ANC has a majority in parliament, but judging by the seriousness of this matter and the importance of it, do you think it is wise for it to continue without the opposition, despite what the rules say? We understand what the rules say.
Of course, it is very much competent to continue. The African National Congress indeed will continue to perform the task that the committee was set up to do. Remember, the opposition was not chased out. The opposition was not kicked out. The opposition decided to leave in the middle of the discussion because the issue that they were calling for, we were still busy in the middle of the discussion exchanging the views on the matter. But they unfortunately decided to leave after failing to convince us. And that is what we regard as cowardice, because it cannot be that the ANC is threatened to accede to the views of the opposition just because we are afraid that they will get out of the committee and the committee will be rendered incompetent. And we will continue as the rules prescribe, and we will then be able to report back to the National Assembly as it is expected in terms of the rules of parliament.
What should we expect to take place today when the ad hoc committee reconvenes, from what you know?
The discussions will continue from where they stopped last week, and obviously depending on whether the matter has already or a large ground has been covered by the committee, then the committee can decide whether today it should consider making recommendations or whether it should continue with some of the issues that have not been covered when the committee stopped last week. But you remember that the last 2 days of the committee, they have been very hectic. A large ground has been covered. On Thursday, for example, the committee sat from 2 until midnight. So there is a lot of work that has already been done. So I believe that the committee is closer to concluding its business.
Thank you very much. That's ANC parliamentary spokesperson Moloto Mothapo.